Welcome back, gods and goddesses. And the moral of the story today is patience, patience, patience. Today was a challenging day as far as trading is concerned. As you can see, it pretty much channeled from 9:30 all the way up until literally 10:55. Okay. So it was a long time. I decided not to go in the trade because it was just too unpredictable, and had already been just staring at the charts for close to 3 hours. So I don't think anybody should trade when you get exhausted and you get tired, etc. So I decided not to trade it, but I did say I was going to wait until the 10:50 to 10:10 type of scenario. But also part of me was trying to, let me try to make this a little bit more bigger so you can pretty much see it a whole lot better. Yeah, cool. So if you look right here between candle number 1, candle number 2, and candle number 3, right between there is a fair value gap, which I drew out. There it is right here, drew out across here. As you can see, it came up here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Now, as you can see here, right here is our marker. Let's draw it out. We have the 10, 50 to 10, 11, 10 macro. Okay. So in a nutshell, as you can see, this is the 1050 coming right within this order block. Now, whenever you see a green candle and you're anticipating a sell, you wait for the next candle that is in a sell formation. If you look closer here, this is bounced off of, here's an order block right here, and it bounced off of this order block right here. Order block 1, 2, 3, 4 times. You know, we say 4 times is a charm. 3 times they try to get you. Usually people get exhausted, end up getting out, or end up thinking it's going to be reversing and go up, etc. Nevertheless, at 10:55, look down below here. Look down in that area. I'm pointing to the candle again. At 10:55, it closed below this fair value gap. This is the point where I should have gotten in. Okay, so if I would have gotten in, expecting it to, you get in right here. Oops, no, that's a buy. This is a short, so you get in right here. It's 49. Okay, we'll leave it like that. And then you get out. Ooh, okay. Right here. This would have been a great time to get out right here. Okay, which is 2.45. Or I'm pretty sure I would have been at my quota of my goal is to get $300 to $500 for sure right there. But that would have been a beautiful, beautiful play. And as you can see, this became 8:55. Then you had 11 o'clock. Probably definitely gotten out at 11 o'clock candle and reached my goal. Because I try to take each candle at a time as a scalper. We go by candle by candle. And then the last candle would have been at 11:05 and would have been done. Or here's the 11:10 candle, came down, touched that, and we're really done. Okay? And as you see now, after that, what is it doing? It's channeling. Okay? This would have been a perfect, absolutely perfect move to have taken. So I just want to reiterate that. We had the macro from 1050 to 1010, formulated with inside of a fair value gap. The last candle that came down, which was a sell candle, which was symbolic of that's the move, and it respecting this fair value gap, came down 1, 2, 3 times. Should have gotten out here at the very latest. Take each candle at a time, but our goal is to meet our quota of $300 to $500. If it would have happened in this candle, we'd have gotten out. This candle would have gotten out. this candle we've got now. Okay, but we're right within that macro. Okay, love you all. Peace at the poo. Namaste. Have a fantastic, glorious day. I will see you at the bank. Bye for now. Love you all, market gods and goddesses, and stay blessed. Thank you.